Welcome back, learners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Facebook friends near you. And this is an updated tutorial. Go ahead and open up Facebook and go to the search icon, which is the magnifying glass at the top right-hand side of the screen. Click on Search. Here you can enter in the first name of the friend that you're looking for nearby. In our case, we will choose Steven. Next, you want to go to the third tab over where it says People. Click on People. Top right-hand side of the screen, you're going to see two lines with two circles slashing through them. Click on that area. This is going to bring up a People tab where you can search the name that you have entered by city, by education, by work, and you can also search friends of friends. Since we are looking for Facebook friends nearby, we want to go ahead and choose city. Enter in the city that is nearby you. In my case, it's Raleigh. And then you can click on the blue box that says Show Results. Now we have effectively searched for our friend who is nearby named Steven. We can scroll through and find the correct friend. I hope this video helped you out on how to find Facebook friends near you. If it did, please give a like and smash the subscribe button for more videos like it. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, I hope you have an awesome day wherever you are. Take care.